The Earl and Countess are the two original locomotives built for the Welshpool Llanfair Light Railway in 1902. They've been integral to the railway's history since then, operating it alone for 50 years before preservation. Today, they continue to play a major part in the line's locomotive fleet. At the turn of the millennium, both locomotives were completely rebuilt by volunteers at Llanfair, with the Earl returning to service in April 2000. Now, the Earl requires a major overhaul, and Countess will need to be retired when its boiler ticket expires in February 2021. For the first time in 35 years, this could leave us without an original locomotive in service for a prolonged period. With our workshop staff and volunteers already committed to other projects, we contracted out the overhaul of the Earl to our friends at the Vale of Rheidol Railway. However, the closure of the railway due to coronavirus means that since February 2020 we've had no trading income. So, to keep the overhaul of the Earl on track, we need your support. So far, we've raised enough to ask the contractors to finish the reassembly of the Earl's rolling chassis. But there's much more to do if we're to see the loco back in service to take part in our annual gala in 2021. We're just £50,000 short of being able to ask our friends at the Vale of Rheidol to complete the overhaul. For over 100 years, these two original locomotives have proved their worth, delighted visitors, and been a defining image of the Welshpool Llanfair Light Railway. Now, your support can help to speed the return to service of the Earl.